We are going to reread what we did yesterday in class in The Journey of a Butterfly. So I want you to try to read along with me, and I want you to think about one interesting fact that we learned on these pages about a monarch butterfly. Butterflies are insects with long bodies and large, brightly colored wings. In the fall, monarch butterflies fly from the cold north to the warm south of North America. There, they spend the winter half asleep in the trees. In the spring, they fly back north. Their journey is called a migration. In this book, you can follow the amazing migration of the monarch butterfly. During the summer, monarch butterflies live in Canada and the northern United States. They spend all summer feeding. Monarch butterflies fly over 1,800 miles across North America during their migration. In the fall, it gets cold. There is less food for butterflies to eat. The butterflies gather in groups to start the long migration south to California and Mexico. The wings of a monarch butterfly are big and strong. They help it to fly quickly and for long distances.